All right, today I'm taking a look at the Vibrantor TENS and Powered Muscle Stimulator. It's a pretty nice looking unit. All right, so we got the electrodes. We got a nice little carrying pouch. It's actually silky feeling, so that's really nice. More pads, more pads, more. So there's a ton of them. And then we've got 3 sets of wires and a charging cable. This is USB-A to USB-C, so I like seeing that. Instruction manual and the clip. So that'll drop right in there, so you can throw this thing on your belt or your shirt or whatever you want to, and you can carry that around and use it on the go. So I do like seeing that. So all of the buttons, the interface, it looks pretty nice. And one thing that I really like is that on both sides we've got our plus and minus keys, so we can control the intensity right here on the side. So I really like seeing that. On the top we got our 2 ports, A and B, and on the bottom we got the charging port. And I do like that they have these color coded, so it's a little bit easier to make sure everything is staying together. Oh, it actually looks like there's basically 4 sets of wires. So this one is a double, so it only has 1 plug, but it has 4 sets of electrodes. So you can plug this into 1 terminal and run 4 total pads, so that's cool. And I do like the variety and the sizes of pads, so depending on what you like, what works the best. And I do like that it has this little tab here, so you can actually grab onto something to peel this, this backing off. Okay, so it's a nice simple interface. We got TENS and we got EMS. We got the timer on the top, and we have the intensity for A on the left and the intensity for B on the right. And the left and right will cycle through the modes. So we've got the first 4 are TENS, and then the last 2 are EMS. I'm on the left side, so I'm going to power that up a bit. All right. So it's on right now, and I can feel it. It's just kind of like a tingle. And I can see a little bit of twitching going on, but it doesn't hurt. It just feels like a nice little tingle, like a nice comforting massage. So if I move it, yeah, as soon as I move it, it drops the intensity all the way back to 0. So I don't have to worry about going from TENS to EMS at maximum setting if I had it set there. So on EMS, I'm going to start with program number 17. And I can feel it's just kind of like a twitch. And so this movement that's happening right here, this is all from the unit. This is not me. There you go. So up and down changes to the different setting inside the mode. So let's try the second setting on EMS. Okay, so that feels pretty similar. Oh, that's interesting. So it kind of ramps up in speed. Huh, all right, cool. And we'll try the last one. Yeah, so this one just feels a lot faster. So that's cool. Yeah, I really like it. I mean, I like having all the different settings. I like having all the variety. So I can really find whatever, works the best for me or just feels the nicest for me. So yeah, it's a pretty awesome little unit.